All right, we're going to make the wheel and tire. So this will be the wheel tutorial. So we're going to go ahead and start it. And on the sketch, we're going to use Revolve for this. So we're going to design the top profile of what it's going to look like, and it's going to be in the ballpark of, and I have to warn you, computer's going super slow today. There, and there, something like that. And we're going to revolve it around an axis, a central axis, right about there. Now the thing is, the opening for the wheel to attach onto the axle has got to be 1/8 of an inch in diameter. So we want this to be 1/16 of an inch, because then once we revolve it, it'll leave 1/8 of an inch for the opening. I want the overall length of this thing to be 5/16. And I'd like this middle part to be 1/16, which will make each of these side parts 2/16. This will look something like that. The overall height of the part I want to be 5/16 in the end, so for now it's going to be 5/32, because again, it too will double when I revolve. So that's what we've got going here for the wheel, and now we're just going to go revolve it. It's probably looking kind of weird to you, but I think you'll see it here in a second. So we'll pick all three of those areas and revolve it around the central axis, and we end up with something that ends up, it looks like that. Okay, so it's got a bit of a groove right in the middle of it. Oh, and I did not dimension that groove, so let me go back and do that real quick. Edit that sketch. I want to make sure that the difference between here and here is 1/32. Just like that. And now we finish. And there it is. That's the wheel. So now we're going to make a tire that's compatible with that.